I bet you didn't know Cleopatra's love life was steamier than ancient Egypt's deserts. Buckle up. First up, Cleopatra wasn't just a pretty face. She was a master of political seduction. She charmed not one, but two of Rome's most powerful men, Julius Caesar and Mark Antony. Talk about playing the game. Second, Cleopatra wasn't actually Egyptian. Surprise! She was Greek, descended from Alexander the Great's general Ptolemy. Guess she was destined for greatness. Third, Cleopatra had a signature beauty routine. Milk baths and honey facials kept her skin glowing. Who knew ancient skincare was so luxurious? Fourth, she spoke 9 languages. Yes, 9. Talk about being a cunning linguist. She could charm anyone in their mother tongue. And finally, Cleopatra loved throwing lavish parties. Wine flowed like the Nile, and the food? Exotic and endless. A night with Cleopatra was unforgettable. So there you have it, 5 dirty and lusty truths about Cleopatra. History never looked so scandalous. Subscribe for more juicy secrets.